Okay, today is Tuesday, August 28th, and they're working on preparing the construction and foundation of lot M-9. Hi, Mr. Dolan. Can you tell us a little bit about what's going on here today?
What we're doing today is the lot layout. We have 4 corners of the house. We're setting the elevation, and then we're trying to determine which services we might have to relocate or which services we're going to keep.
So now Pat, who's our construction foreman, and Mr. Dolan are gonna confer about all the proper setbacks. We have to meet setbacks for zoning and building codes to make sure everything's done correctly. And we'll be videotaping every day so you can see how this progresses. Well, actually not every day, because there'll be Labor Day weekend, so we'll just do our best to make sure you guys all see this amazing process and how we make a little piece of ground turn into a beautiful home. We're super excited and can't wait till this fabulous family moves in.
I can try to get it close.
Stay tuned. If you like and subscribe, you'll see updates as often as we put them up. And we want to thank all of our viewers for helping get the word out.
If I can, I will.
Check out our website, www.myhomeincarteret.com. And in the meantime, if you're interested, email me at info@dolanhomes.com.